너 계속 이러고면 어떡해. 말이 안 통하잖아.
감사합니다.
한국어 좀 배워.
장정국?
그냥 헤어지자.
So guys, when I first came to Korea, I did not know Korean at all. But then I found out Time Kettle's WT2 Edge translator earbuds and my life has been changed. So when we first met, what did you like the most about me?
나 아무것도 마음에 들지 않았는데.
What? Are you kidding me? Seriously?
장난이지.
Time Kettle WT2 Edge earbuds offer hands-free translations in 40 languages. For a seamless conversation with your friends, use simulation mode and share an earbud with them. You can use their AI language tutor mode for free to improve your fluency in another language. So, say goodbye to language